like I said before, it's kind of a roller coaster of emotions. Some days you'd have a ton of conversations. They all went really well. Others you go on a dry spell for a few days before even hearing an email back. So this is kind of when the roller coaster started getting good, is in that April, May timeframe. It seemed like all of the interviews and stuff started happening all at once. And so I was having a ton of interviews and they all kind of brought me into New York. And so for whatever reason, they did them all on Fridays, for better or for worse, for the super days. And so sometimes I'd come to New York and have back-to-back super days. Other times I'd come and have just one super day, but it was interesting because I felt like I was coming back and forth to New York quite a bit.
But they paid for it, right?
They did pay for it. Yep. Yep.
So that's good. As a college kid, that's important.
Yeah, exactly.
So they're paying you to fly out. You're doing these super days. Your first super day for junior year internship. Did you strike out? Did you get an offer right away? What was that like?
Yeah. So this was at a bulge bracket